Sup, player? We got some highlights going?
I guess I'll stick around. Of course, I'm the start of the highlights. Here, look, Steph, enjoy this one. That was nice, wasn't it?
You know, I'm gonna respond, though. Watch, you see how I'm trailing back? Let me walk you through it. Left, dribble, step back and put up. I think that was the response I was talking about. And in case you missed that one.
So what you got, handles?
Clearly. And it looks like that's not all I got either. Watch this step back. In position and dream. I'm just talented is all.
I'll give you that one, I guess.
Another one of my highlights? I can't say I'm surprised.
I think it's funny how you reach for fouls, though.
Shh, I can't hear the crowd scream for me. Tell me, though, how were you feeling right about then?
Well, as you can see, that's when I started to cook. I mean, even in traffic.
I mean, yeah, I wanted to give you one or two.
Wait, they called me dangerous, and did you hear that?
Whoa! That almost ended your career.
I can't believe you still try to drive around me.
I can't believe your old ass can still jump that high.
Look, Clay gets bullied in the paint, too. Champion stride. Oh, I love this one. I had to make sure I gave you guys something good before halftime. Yep, that one stung.
It's fine because we came back strong.
I don't know. You didn't look so strong almost falling over without being touched. See?
Do you see how wild the crowd got, though?
Yeah, but then we went on a run. I mean, look at the scoreboard. That's a tough spot. And I just made a wide open three. Like, you can't lie, I was kind of on fire right here. Oh, so good. Also, I wish you knew what this right here could feel like, because that feels so good.
You know what? I really wish you knew what this right here could feel like, because that feels so good.
Yeah, it's kind of nice being able to drive, though.
Still plenty of time, though.
That's why you guys called a timeout? I mean, Dre looks stressed.
Not so much after this one. What did you say earlier? Champion stride?
I hate when Draymond flops like that.
You mean when Davis illegal screens like that? Yeah, I hate that too.
Did you hate that too? That point that I made right there, and I bet you hate that too. Now this one, I really didn't think you were going to make this one, but I mean, I do got to give you respect for the hustle, despite being so far behind. And I mean, right here, you were looking so good, but just, I don't know, man, you really got to stop trying to drive on me.
Maybe Schroeder shouldn't try to drive on us.
That was what, like, once?
I know you wanted that one so bad.
I really did. And then look, you learned your lesson and stuck behind the arc. I mean, seriously, that was a beautiful shot. And the way the rest of the series played out, don't even get me started.